Demon Sparks here. Completed the system wiring and speaker hookup, polarities, and the power supply, and the inputs and outputs all has been set up. It's my Pioneer deck, DEH 1400 2002 Pioneer. It's a 45 watt by 4 channel. Just tuned it correctly. Unfortunately, every time I kill the power supply to it, it resets. This is my regulated voltage power supply, and now I'm running about, it's pins past 10, so it's around 12-13 volts. Current regulator, once the needle goes past, I do believe about 9, the stereo will cut off, so it's drawing too many amperes from here. This only supplies 1.5 DC amps. I got my power brick supplies, I do believe 3.43 amperes. And I don't know why I can't see it that well. Oh, there we go. It's 3.43 amperes, 65 watts. It's not the best power supply. It's actually a little too powerful for the amp, but it's gonna be good just for the time being. Got my two 15-inch Rockfords hooked up to it. I'll show all the undercarriage wiring. Looks a little bit messy, but it's actually as neat as I can possibly get it. I got the stereo wired up. Everything's wired. I'm only running one channel for the mids and highs off the stereo, so I don't want to push too heavy of a load on it. Got the RCA in. Everything's ran, hooked up, and everything. I still have the blue neons under here as well, as you can well see. Looks pretty good actually. There's the stereo. Blue neons, etc., etc. Here it is. I'm gonna try to do this a little further away so it's give you a good idea. It's pretty cool actually. Looks pretty nice. And here it is. It's the deck mounted. Ran all the wires very neatly. For some reason my stereo's REM wire doesn't work, so I had to just bridge over the REM like that. The power supply I'm getting, it's gonna be hooked up to this. It's gonna have a toggle switch just like that. Just turn it on and off, so that will just turn the amp on and off, so I'm leaving the REM like that. It's a 30 amp, 13.8 volt switching power supply, and should have that by Monday. I already tuned the amp the best I could for now. At high volumes the amp will cut off because this draws 30 amperes. I don't know if you'll be able to see the fuse or not, but it's got a 30 amp fuse. You can kind of see it. And the power light will just cut off and then it will start clipping. But enough talking. I know you probably want to see a demo. It's not being pushed to its full capabilities because it's only on 3.43 amperes and the amp draw is 30, so it's overdrawing of course, but I'll do a quick demo for you and show you how it sounds so far. Play a better song, a little more beat to it. Of course, a couple grand. It's my one high hooked up as well. Right up there. It's a little Sony, I think 4-inch. It's nothing too serious, but of course I have all the passives and shit all over the place. I'm still not done situating everything, as you can see, and everything's a fucking mess. So, but should everything all set up and very nice and neatly done, properly wired. Mounting the power supply right here. Here's the power cables for it. It's running to this right now, but I'm putting it right there, and that's about it. So hopefully the amp doesn't overdraw and doesn't clip anymore. It's a really nice amp. I don't know why everyone says it's a piece of shit. From my experience of what I've had so far, it pushes my Rockford 15s perfectly on 3 amperes, even though it will start clipping out at really high volumes. It just overdraws because it's not getting enough amperage. But for so far, it's just a demo review, pretty much. And I like this amp a lot. I got it for $60, brand new off Amazon. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Also have the iPod dock that I custom made and mounted. It's pretty cool. Got the cables running from out to there. I have 3 stereos. Yamaha HDR 5440, JVC RX 330V, Kenwood KR 856R. This one's a vintage, this one's semi-vintage, this one's a few years old. They all work great. And that's about it. If you have any questions, PM me or leave a comment. Please rate, subscribe if you like the video. That's about it. Alright, thanks for watching Demon Sparks.